Trying to put my gloves on, guys. It's cold. This is I035. They're rolling in slow because they had to wait for I033 to roll out. We got a green indication on track number 2, which is the closest one, for should be I-138. This is the 4th intermodal of the day. I don't even remember if I said it already. It cut out because of the cold. It was only on like 5% or so when it cut out for 33. On that train is the CSX I035 extra intermodal train. Still peak season. That train starts off in Baltimore, Maryland, heads south to Jacksonville, Florida, where it terminates.